Miniaturization Center. Now, I'm sure you're all aware that our health is constantly being challenged by viruses, bacteria, and various other microorganisms. Here, you see the body's white blood cells being mobilized to attack invading bacteria. With miniaturization, it is now possible to go into the body aboard vehicles like this and actually witness immune system activities firsthand. Now, we do this for two reasons. One, by directly observing the immune system, we are gaining valuable knowledge in the war against disease. Two, we're now able to perform once impossible operations from inside the body. So as not to endanger our civilian observers, you'll be assigned to a routine mission in the subskin region, a relatively safe area of the body. Don't worry, there will be plenty for you to see.
50 body probe vehicle. This ship is one of the newest in our fleet and weighs approximately 26 tons. By way of a highly sophisticated and ingenious process, not only will your ship be miniaturized, it will be beamed below the skin of a volunteer so that you will be able to view the inner workings of the human body. During this time, the ship will remain much smaller than the point of a pin and weigh less than a drop of water. When your mission is over, the ship will be returned to full size at the same exact coordinates from which it was miniaturized. In the late 20th century, NASA began its exploration of space using unmanned vehicles. In time, the space program became sophisticated enough to send men to the moon. Our program began in much the same way. Unmanned vehicles led the way, and today we have a fleet of 4 body probe shuttles sending miniaturized medical teams into the body on a daily basis. From all of us here at the center, congratulations on becoming part of our miniaturization program. We're sure that you'll be amazed by your mission into the body, and we hope that you enjoy and learn from your journey to the
required to bring about a successful miniaturization. While every mission has its special challenges, this group is dedicated to making each voyage a safe and productive one. As your control officer, my duties are vital to the success of your mission. This state-of-the-art equipment enables me to supply your captain with essential navigational information and to monitor the status of the onboard power and life support systems. I'll stay in contact with your ship at all times. I'm getting a signal that bay number 4 is ready for miniaturization. At this time, I'm going to switch your picture over to bay 4 so that another group of civilians on a mission similar to yours. This is yourselves. The subject has been thoroughly prepped and tested. Of course, he will feel nothing during the mission because the probe entering his arm is approximately the size of a single human cell.
Mid-1 reports ready to commence miniaturization procedure.
Roger, Mid-1. Charlie 218, this is Control. Are you ready to go?
That's Charlie 218, all systems go.
The particle reducer is being lowered into position now.
Signal compression unit, engage.
3, 2, 1.
Charlie 218, safe inside, next to the cruise area.
Roger, Charlie 218, all systems operating. We've just received confirmation that probe and crew have penetrated the subcutaneous epidermal tier. We are now under the skin. Ladies and gentlemen, your probe Bravo 229er is being prepared. Obviously. We've now reached your body probe boarding area. As your control officer, I'd like to give you some important information about your mission. This is Dr. Cynthia Laird, one of our foremost immunologists. 10 minutes ago, she was miniaturized and beamed to the site of a splinter in the right index finger of a volunteer. Her objective is to conduct tests on the immune system's response to that splinter. You will be on board Body Probe Bravo 229. Your mission will take you to the location of that splinter. Once there, your probe will rendezvous with Dr. Laird and bring her out. I'm attempting to contact Dr. Laird right now. We'll see if we can get a report on how her experiments proceed. Dr. Laird, this is Mission Control. Your recovery team is with me. Tell us how your experiments can go.
That's
Can you give our observers a brief description of your objectives?
Sure. I'm here to study the inflammatory responses to neutrophils as they react to invading bacteria.
In layman's terms, please, Dr. Laird.
Simply speaking, I'm here to observe the speed and effectiveness of the white blood cells as they rush to protect the body from infection.
Thank you, Dr. Laird. Bravo 229er will be on its way shortly to pick you up.
See you soon.
I'd now like to introduce you to your pilot, the person who has been with this program since its inception. Captain, are you ready?
Hello everyone, I'm Captain Braddock. Glad to be joining you for Bravo 229er.
Captain, how are your pre-launch preparations going?
I am almost there for launch here. Control, let's see. Field reversers on. Check. Life support systems activated. Check. Fuel cells full and functioning. Check. Folks, we need to make one final radio check. Dr. Laird, we're just about set to go. Hello, Dr. Laird. This is Captain Braddock. We're Bravo 229er. How's the weather in there?
Clear and warm, Captain. About 98.6. Actually, it's a little warmer by the inspection site.
Very good. Over. Well, friends, we're about ready for launch. 44. We're going to be back to the control center again.
Begin pressurization. Cabin pressurized. I'm switching you to internal power.
Hello again, everyone. We'll be getting underway momentarily.
Bravo 229er, are you ready to initiate launch?
That is affirmative control. All systems go.
Begin initial reduction sequence.
Reduction sequence begun. We're now approaching the miniaturization room. One of the technicians will focus a particle beam on our ship.
Particle reducer, engage. Roger.
Entry depth set at 200 microns.
Bravo 229er, begin reduction mode.
Now. 3, 2, 1.
Hold on, everybody. Control, this is Bravo 229er. We're under the skin. Everything looks fine.
Roger.
Folks, directly in front of us is a group of white blood cells on their way to destroy the splinter. There it is now. There sure is a lot of activity out there. Dr. Laird, we're experiencing some turbulence. I advise you to come aboard immediately.
In a minute, Captain. I need to take one more cell count.
Roger, we're standing by.
We're gathering a lot of valuable information here. I hope that... Mayday!
Dr. Laird, are you okay?
Mayday! I'm being pulled into a capillary.
Hang on, I'm coming to get you.
Braddock, what's going on?
I'm in the vein. Dr. Laird needs help.
Get on board that ship, Captain.
I'm being pulled! On the wall!
Braddock, watch your pressure. Your ship could be crushed.
I'm in the right ventricle!
Right behind you. That should be good.
Our instruments show you down to half power.
I know, we lost a fuel cell. Have to get out on the next beat.
You're heading for the lungs, Captain. Air current's extremely hazardous.
I have no chances.
Ryan, can you read me? I'm in the lungs!
I see you.
I'm being attacked by a white blood cell!
I'm gonna use the lasers to try and stun it.
Hurry!
Quick, into the ship.
I'm in!
Control, I've got Dr. Laird.
Braddock, you've used too much power. You can't beam out.
We need an energy boost.
The brain, it works on electrical impulse.
How do we get there?
Through that capillary.
We're tracking you to the heart again.
It's our only choice.
Current is too strong. The rudders won't respond.
Okay, we're in the heart's left atrium.
Braddock, your power is decreased to 5%. 5%.
I'm gonna use the heartbeat to propel us. Ready? Now!
Turn! To the right! Okay, we're in the cerebral artery. It's taking us to the brain. We're just above the brain in the spinal fluid.
Your power is down to 2%. If you can get power, I can beam you out of this.
We're gonna need this electricity fast.
We have to cross the blood-brain barrier. Can you get us inside?
Here we go.
The cerebral cortex. We're inside the brain.
They deploy the fuel cell shield and hope it works like a lightning rod.
Credit, your power is gone. We can't get you out. Speak, your power is gone.
This neuron better fire.
You have power.
We did it!
We're beaming you out.
Incredible! Do you realize what we just did?
I'll tell you what you did. You broke every regulation in the book.
Control, we were the first to go through the heart, lungs, and brain.
You also managed to pull off the most spectacular mission this place has ever seen. Congratulations.
Thank you, Control.